Ampersand's floater frames offer a complete and easy solution for displaying your artwork on panel. At Ampersand, we noticed that floater frames available to artists didn't properly accommodate wooden panels. We saw that the base of the frame didn't align with the panel's cradle, and the front of the frame didn't protect the face of the artwork. Ampersand remedied these issues by expanding the base of its floater frame to match up with the cradle of a wooden panel, and extended the frame profile so that the artwork was just below the face of the frame, protecting the artwork from damage. We also added countersunk holes on the back for the hardware, so the screws that attach the artwork to the frame don't protrude. This keeps your artwork flush with the wall and prevents screws from scratching the wall. Not only did we create a better frame, we took it one more step. You won't need to track down all of the necessary framing and display hardware. Everything you need to frame your artwork is included, from the eye screws and coated wire, to screws that attach to the artwork, and bumper pads for the back corners. Even the hook and nail are included so you can display your newly framed artwork. Ampersand offers two great styles of floater frames to choose from. We have a bold style with a dramatic wide facing, and a thin style with an elegant narrow facing. Both styles are available in 3 color options: black, white, and natural maple. Both styles are available for 7/8 inch and 1.5 inch artwork on cradled panels, or stretched canvas. With the bold style, the outer dimensions are the same for both depths. This allows artists to frame artwork with different cradle depths in uniform frames. The thin style has a different approach. The outer profile for the 7/8 inch depth is more shallow versus the deeper 1.5 inch profile. Are you framing a flat panel without a cradle? The 7/8 inch depth option includes a set of riser blocks in the hardware pack. This is a great solution for displaying your artwork on panel, even if the panel doesn't have cradles. These risers attach to the back edges of a flat panel to extend the panel to the correct position in the frame. We've also included risers for extending 3/4 inch stretch canvas as well. These risers are only available in the 7/8 inch frames, so make sure you select the depth of frame appropriate for your artwork. Floater frames are available in sizes from 6x6 to 18x24 in all 3 colors and in both styles. We also offer 3 larger sized floater frames in black in the bold style, 24x24, 24x30, and 24x36.